Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Let me just first start off this video by saying that I really hate that I'm having to make this video, or that I even feel the need to make this video. As many of you know, I'm on my chasecation. I began my chasecation May 5th after I got off work, chasing Nebraska, and I've been chasing nonstop like all of last week. Flash forward to more recently, on Saturday morning, we were sleeping in Ottawa, Iowa at a truck stop. We woke up Saturday morning to go to Fort Dodge to reposition for that day, to get in position for storms that day. And that morning, I started up my car and it said power assist steering fault. So we tried to do some troubleshooting, tried to disconnect the battery, see if that would help clear the error. Unfortunately, it did not. Then it came on with a service advance track. So there was thankfully a Ford dealership on the way to Fort Dodge that was open. We stopped by, they briefly took a look at it. Their initial diagnostics was not very good, and then they just called me, this morning, sorry. And my power steering rack needs completely replaced. Unfortunately, it is very costly. The part alone is about $1,100, not including labor, which is about $400 to $500 they quoted me. So in total, it's going to be about $2,000 to fix that power steering. The car is drivable, which is good, but it's very unsafe without power steering. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm kind of stuck there. I did get a rental car on Saturday, so I have been in a rental. I did chase Saturday, and then these past couple days, I've been in the rental car, sleeping in the rental car, and I've also been door dashing, trying to recoup some of my finances. And then I would also like to mention that I have a feeling my transmission in my car is also going out. Whenever I accelerate, it is skipping pretty badly. So I'm gonna get that checked when I get back to North Platte, Nebraska, when I get home. But yeah, it's been a very, very rough past week. Just a lot of mistakes on chasing and having bad luck, missing photogenic tornadoes out over open fields. And then my car stuff, which is really taking a toll on me. I wanted to go home yesterday to spend some time with my girlfriend and my dog. And unfortunately, I am stuck in Iowa. I'm trying to make the best of it, trying to DoorDash in my free time, make as much as I can. And once again, I really hate that I'm even feeling the need to record this or make this video, but I really need your help. I hate to be the type of person to ask for donations and money, because I'm a very independent person and I like to make my own money and stuff. But frankly, I'm struggling bad, and especially if my transmission is dead on my car, I really don't know how I'm gonna afford it and stuff. So if you, by any means, could find it in your heart and your finances to help support me, I will accept donations via PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. I really hate that I'm even asking. Like, it just disappoints myself that I even have to feel that I need to go to these means. But it's just a struggle, and it's been a really, really difficult last few days. So if you could help me out at all, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll also have a prints website up here relatively shortly, where I can offer prints of my photography and stuff. I really hope you guys can understand and be able to help me out even in the slightest. So hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Take care.